Welcome to the best picks. The Best Paper Baking Cups is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools in the kitchen, simplifying the baking process, providing easy cleanup, and enhancing the presentation of your culinary creations, whether it's for cupcakes, muffins, or even savory dishes. And in this video, we will explore the top picks available on the market, helping you choose the perfect paper baking cups for your baking needs, considering factors such as material, size, design, and overall value. Number 5. Cupcake Baking Cups, 100 PCS. These baking cups are perfect for making delicious cupcakes and muffins. They're easy to use and make cleanup a breeze. With dimensions of 60 by 70 by 55 millimeters, they're the ideal size for standard cupcakes. They're also oven safe up to 200 degrees Celsius. Simply fill them with batter, bake, and easily remove your treats. No more sticking or struggling. Made from safe, food-grade paper, these cups are odorless and durable. They're perfect for everyday baking. Use them for cupcakes, muffins, snacks, or even ice cream. They're great for any sweet treat. These baking cups are ideal for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and any celebration. They'll add a touch of elegance to your baked goods. What we like? They are made of food-grade paper, safe and odorless. It's easy to remove cakes from them after baking. If you need a large quantity of baking cups for frequent use, this is a great economical choice. What people say? They look great after baking and are super cute. These worked great. Most of the cupcakes came right out when you peeled the cup apart. They hold up well during baking and keep their appearance. The patterns are delightful. They are great for large cupcakes or for muffins. Number 4. Sparkle Bash Cupcake Liners. Elevate your desserts with our elegant pink and gold polka dot cupcake liners. They're perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any celebration. These foil liners are perfect for cupcakes, muffins, candies, and more. Use them to hold a variety of treats. Instantly add a touch of glamour to your party spread. Place them on your dessert table for a beautiful presentation. Made from oven-safe baking paper, they can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Bake with confidence. Each liner measures approximately 2.25 by 2.75 inches. This pack includes 50 liners, enough for a big party. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers, these liners add a touch of elegance to any event. Get yours today. What we like? These are beautiful foil cups, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your baked goods. They're ideal if you're looking to dress up your cupcakes for a wedding or birthday party. If you want to impress your guests with stylish cupcakes, choose these. What people say? The color was exactly what I was looking for. I used them to hold Chex Mix and M&Ms for the dessert table. Cups separated easily for my guests to use. Also, the cups were the perfect size and the scalloped edge made a nice appearance. I actually used these to hold sprinkles for cookie decorating party, but would be good for holding any small finger foods. The color is pretty. Great color and easy to clean drips without discoloration. Number 3. CHENGU Christmas Cupcake Wrappers. These cupcake liners are made of sturdy paper, ensuring they'll last. The bright colors and patterns are vibrant and won't fade easily. They feature classic Christmas designs like Santa, snowmen, and snowflakes. They'll add a festive touch to your treats and home. Each liner is 1.97 by 1.18 inches, making them easy to use and store. The size is ideal for holding cupcakes and candies. These are perfect for decorating your own treats or giving as gifts to friends and family. They'll love baking with them. You'll receive 600 cupcake liners in 6 different styles, 100 of each. That's plenty for all your baking and decorating needs. What we like? With 600 pieces and 6 classic Christmas designs, they're perfect for holiday baking or gifting. It is a great option if you are hosting a Christmas party or need a large number of festive cupcake liners. If you love Christmas and want to add a festive touch to your baking, these are perfect for you. What people say? The ideal size for a holiday treat. Sturdy also. They look small at first compared to something you would buy at the store, but they are normal muffin tin sizes. The assortment of Christmas cupcake liners are truly festive not only for cupcakes, but for homemade candies to share at Christmas. Number 2. Caperci Standard Cupcake Liners. These liners are perfect for baking delicious cupcakes and muffins. They're made from food-grade material, ensuring a safe and worry-free baking experience. With 500 liners in each pack, you'll always have plenty on hand for all your baking projects. They're great for cupcakes, muffins, and even nuts. These liners are designed to fit standard muffin tins. They measure 7 centimeters at the top, 5 centimeters at the bottom, and are 3 centimeters high. They can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for use in the oven, microwave, and even the refrigerator. Elevate your cupcakes for weddings, birthdays, or any celebration. These high-quality liners give your baked goods a professional look. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for a replacement. Enjoy baking with confidence. What we like. Made of food-grade material, they are odorless and grease-proof. This is a worry-free option if you are looking for a large quantity of reliable baking cups for various occasions. If you prioritize quality and value, these are an excellent choice. Number 1. Baker's Signature Tulip Cupcake Liners. Elevate your baking with our elegant tulip cupcake liners. They're perfect for adding a beautiful touch to your muffins and cupcakes, making them look as delicious as they taste. These pre-cut liners come in a convenient, easy-to-store box. Their perfect size fits standard muffin tins, saving you time and hassle. Made from grease-resistant, waterproof, and non-toxic material, they can withstand high temperatures. They won't tear, rip, or soak through, ensuring perfect results every time. Ideal for weddings, birthdays, or any celebration, these liners add a touch of elegance to your baked goods. They're also great for everyday baking. Made from 100% natural wood pulp, they're a healthier alternative to quillen-based products. Enjoy easy cleanup and worry-free baking. We're confident you'll love them. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make things right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. These sturdy and grease-proof cups are made of natural wood pulp, a healthier alternative. They are a great option if you are looking for a high-quality, eco-friendly choice for your baking needs. If you value both quality and health, consider these. What people say. They are sturdy. Due to their heights, there's never any spillage if you overfill. The paper releases the muffins easily. These worked great in my standard cupcake tray. Made for a pretty display, I used the green, pink, and yellow liners. They're very easy to unwrap, which I like. Exactly as described. Needed them for cupcakes for a baby shower and they were so cute. They held their shape when baked and no grease marks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.